Hey friends, if you wish to install the Steps Recorder on your Windows 11 computer, then I have bad news for you. I'll tell you why. So, while the Steps Recorder still exists on the systems, like you can open the Steps Recorder and use it, but it says this tool is being phased out. It does not exist on the Microsoft Store, and we have an explanation here which says that it is going through depreciation because there are alternatives like the sniping tool, Xbox Game Bar, ClickChamp, etc. to record the screen. And they say that the steps recorder is absolutely redundant now, so there's no way to install it. But if you have removed it and if you really want to install it, then you will have to reset your computer. Even an update will not help you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.